So, yeah, that's where we are. I'm outside because stress. I do not even want to see myself. I am a train wreck. Been puffing on train wreck. Been puffing. Look at the air. Look at the air. It's so cold it looks like I'm smoking. So here we are at the ER. Why, you say? Because Cavelli is having some unusual symptoms that I have not seen before. She's having some tremoring. She was having a blood clot spurt out while she was tremoring. And I just felt like this seems a little more serious than, just nothing. This isn't nothing. Could be nothing, but it seems like some of the potential diagnoses she tossed out were would make sense. Like, she could be tremoring because she has an electrolyte imbalance. The bleeding is fairly normal. It's only 2 days since she gave birth, but I thought, oh my God, she hasn't bled for 2 days and now all of a sudden she's bleeding. That's abnormal, but it's not. It's normal. I had 2 kids. You bleed for a long time. Okay, they're calling me. Okay.